come in. There are overnight rules concerning the operation of the great clock. Number 1. All right, let's go. Number 1. Under no circumstances is it to be used as a
Mama Luigi!
The clock is not meant to alter time, only to it. Number 2. Should you find yourself wanting to use the clock as a time machine, rule number 1. Did you hear that, Sigmund? Because rule number 1, you see, says don't do it.
Brilliant, sir.
All right.
General, will you just stop for a second? I want to know what happened.
Questions. You ask all these questions. Yourself
I
there.
want to know what happened. Now, why aren't you with the Lombaxes?
Because I them. I them.
33%.
Ratchet, I need your help. Orvis is in trouble. You must go to Xanathar. Dr. Nefarious.
Xanathar? Dr. Nefarious hasn't set foot on that rock since his station was completed 2 years ago.
Then that is when you must him. Head. You cannot hide in the
Works Evil Incorporated!